Have you tasted a strawberry opera cake before? Today I'm going to show you how to make it, how to assemble it. I already have another tutorial on how to bake the opera cake itself, so this video is just going to be about assembling it. So if I make it, bake it and frost it, the video will be too long. So welcome back to our channel. Let's get started. So here I'm just preparing chocolate ganache. For this recipe I used chocolate ganache, and then I added some food color to it, pink food color, and I also added some strawberry paste, strawberry puree to the buttercream, as you can see, to make it the way I want to achieve the color that I want. If you want the normal opera cake with chocolate or with dark chocolate ganache, I also have another tutorial for that. So let's get started. I'm using Italian meringue. I'm a fan of Italian meringue, so I'm using Italian meringue. The opera cake calls for French meringue buttercream, which is the egg yolks, which is using just egg yolks instead of egg white. So you know the egg yolks are a bit fatty, so I decided to use the egg white instead of the yolks. But I think the taste is the same. I don't know, can be the same, but the result is the same, guys. So yeah, just piping some layers of the buttercream on top, repeating the same process. Just repeat the same process, put it in the fridge to set, bring it out. The same process, actually the same process. It's very easy. Pipe, smoothing it out, put it in the fridge to set, bring it out, pour chocolate ganache, pour the chocolate ganache on top of it, smoothing it out, and then you will have you'll be having a shiny chocolate ganache, depending on the one you are going for. If you are going for the strawberry one, it's the same thing. If you are doing the dark chocolate or milk chocolate, the result is the same. Ganache is ganache. Chocolate ganache is the same. So here is the final result, guys. Cut it out the way you want, slice it out the way you want, slice it into thin. Choice is endless. You can make the choice. The call is yours. Yeah, I'm just trying to smoothen it out. Smooth it out. Put it in the fridge. Bring it out. Pour it. small slices and top it up. And that's it. Here you have it. There you have your opera strawberry opera cake. Tastes delicious. The opera cake itself is so delicious, guys. It's almond cake. Instead of using all-purpose flour or flour, you just use most almond powder. Then yeah, it's almonds biscuit. That's it, guys. Feel free to like, subscribe to our channel for more recipes like this. Give these videos a thumbs up. And that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.